Introducing table pad paper, the unsung hero of your dining experience, here to protect and serve your table with an extra layer of practical elegance. This isn't just any paper. It's a shield against spills, a canvas for creativity, and a subtle touch that transforms your dining space. Say goodbye to those worries about accidental wine spills or overenthusiastic ketchup squeezes and welcome table pad paper into your home, because tables deserve to be pampered too. This paper isn't just a protective layer, it's a canvas for your culinary imagination. With its smooth surface and generous dimensions, it invites you to unleash your inner artist. No more fretting about accidentally doodling on the pristine table. The table pad paper encourages you to let your creativity flow. It's not just a paper, it's an interactive dining experience. But let's talk about practicality. This isn't just any table paper, it's a mess containment wizard. Spaghetti sauce splatter, coffee ring, no problem. The table pad paper acts as a barrier between your table and potential stains, making cleanup a breeze. It's not just a paper, it's a silent guardian against dining disasters. And installation? So simple, you might wonder if you missed a step. No need for convoluted instructions or complicated maneuvers. The table pad paper comes with user-friendly application, ensuring that you can transform your table into a protected masterpiece without the headache of setup. It's like magic, only tidier. But wait, there's more. This table paper isn't just about protection, it's about setting the mood. With its subtle design and the satisfying crinkle as you unfold it, the table pad paper adds a layer of sophistication to your dining experience. It's not just a functional necessity, it's a style statement for your table. Picture this, you sitting down to a family dinner or a cozy brunch with friends, the table pad paper beneath your plates, adding that extra touch of charm. It's not just a practical addition, it's a conversation starter, a detail that doesn't go unnoticed. Your table is not just a piece of furniture, it's a canvas waiting to be adorned with culinary delights. I think table pad paper is not just a disposable accessory, it's a dining companion that combines practicality with a dash of elegance. It's for those who understand that a well-protected table is a happy table, and dining is an art form. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more great content.